Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 149 with a market cap of about $295 million, right? We have a 24-hour volume of about $67 million. And today we are basically going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So on the day, we are up about 2.9% right here for YFI. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we have the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? So YFI has really basically been some sort of a funny play right here for us on the channel, right? For some of you that remembers, we were buying the exact bottom right there at the $4,700 to $4,900, and we were basically accumulating in September, right, around that $5,000 boring range, and we accumulated a lot of YFI, right? And since then, we expected our September play to get to the $12,000 level, right? That was our target for September, and we saw prices push and even exceeded our target, right? It exceeded. We were expecting a 120% play. We saw prices push as high as the $15,000 level, right? And I remember a lot of people wanted to FOMO, and I said, guys, please do not FOMO. This looks like something irrational. And then we were saying just place a sort of stop loss. And as you can see, we saw that huge dump back down to the 200 EMA, right? And so from our last update, we were saying we needed price to hold this 200 EMA, because if we do not hold the 200 EMA, we could see prices go into goblin town, right? And so we saw prices hold this 200 EMA. We have seen this little rally right there from that 7,000 currently to the $8,000 level, having the 50 EMA hold as resistance, right? Now, the next thing we just want to make sure is if prices could push above these two or these 50 EMA, that could be very bullish, right? And we could see another push into that $15,000 level right here for a YFI, right? So all we need to do, our last resistance is this 50 EMA. If prices push above, and we see prices push above, maybe have some sort of retracement and push above this 50 EMA, guys, it's moon time. We could see prices push even into that $15,000 level again, right? As this is still looking like a very bullish setup. Why? Because we have held the 200 EMA. We have seen that push into the 50 EMA. If we push above this 50 EMA, which is currently at 9,000, guys, expect prices to return back to that $15,000 level. That could see the price of our YFI push. Let's see how many percent that is. That is another 71%. So if you have missed the move from 5,000 to the 15,000, currently this is a very good place to buy, as we could see that huge push to the upside right there for our YFI in the next few days, right? And so that is the update right here for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.